Okay, ZT5307 October data objects create okay. Now let's write some program here. Okay, ZT5307 October data objects executable program. Save local object. Okay, data objects. Now, data, this is the keyword, and we have given a colon because we will be defining multiple variables like f name, which will be type ty user. Now, what is ty user? Ty user has not been defined. Let's define that too. Ty user, ty user. Okay, types ty user, size 20, type C character. Okay, and types again is a keyword. First name, type ty user. All the attributes of ty user will actually be copied in first name, f name, and the value of it will be agency. Middle name, type ty user. Material number, type C. Material description, size 40, type C. Phone number, type N. Amount, type P, decimals 2. This is for calculation. This variable will be storing calculated amounts. Quantity, 5. Unit, like amount. Unit is also like amount. Nolan, type string. Days, type I. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. Now, what we'll add is this. Constants is a keyword. And over here, we are defining C date type D, which is date. Date feature of C date. This is date is the data object of date value. This C date is equal to this date and the date mentioned over here is other way around. No length is equal to wasnet. No length is equal to wasnet ERP company. First name is wasnet. First name is ERP consulting company. And M name amount 23, quantity 10, unit is amount by quantity, and the unit we will have that. Phone number is 1234. First name is wasnet. We'll remove this. Write F name. F name, M name, mat number. Mat no, mat description. Phone number, amount, amount, quantity 10. The 10 I'm actually giving here are the spaces, unit, Nolan, and days, then C underscore date. Okay, check. Statement is invalid. Check the spelling. Okay. Field C date is cannot be modified. Okay. Because it is constants. Must be as one word. Okay. Days is unknown. Check. No errors found. Activate. Direct processing. Okay, it's only showing the date and some of the fields because of the spacing issue. M name is M name. Okay. Activate. Direct processing. Okay, now it has actually printed all of it. Okay, because we gave the slash and that slash means new line. So, okay, fine. Now let's move on to the next one. Next one is literals. Now, what are literals? Okay, let's use this in our code. No. Copy. We'll write another code. Data objects to CT5307 October data objects to executable program. Save local object. Okay. Over here, I will change the constants because constants are basically now literals and constants. It's preferred to use constants. Constants and CNAME type PY user Dubai. Okay, CNAME type TY user value Dubai, and I will copy. Okay, CNAME, FNAME is equal to CNAME, and it will now show Dubai whenever we print it. Let's see what it says. Check. Check this spelling. Okay. Using constant to occupy lesser space. What is it? Check. Activate. Direct processing. Dubai. Okay. Now let's come to the point again. Global data types. Now, what are global data types? I will use this code again. for a new program. ZT53, ZT53 October data objects executable program save local object. Now, what I will introduce here is global data types. Now, global data types can be accessed by any program. Okay. Global data types are called data elements. Okay. Now, for that, let's see if we can pull it through. Global. Okay. Data fname type ty user value was net, fname, mname, and last name. So we just don't want this right now. This one. Uh, that number. Okay. Data fname was net ty user. Okay. Okay. This is done. But what will make a data element. Okay. Now, since we are actually defining data as variables over here, which are only accessible to this program. So what we'll do, we will save it. Okay. SE11 SE11 data type ZT53 name data type. Now this will be actually creating a data element. Okay. Now let's create data element. Continue. Okay. Name variable global data type. Okay. Global variable data type and attach a domain. What could be the domain? Built-in type. Built-in type is okay, character string. Okay. And we have quite a lot of data types here that we can use. Character string, and we'll use character string. 40 further characteristics. Search help. This will be ZT53 name data type global. Okay. Field label ZT53 global name 8 8 16 26. Now this is basically I'm giving field names. These are just titles that it will show. Okay. Save local object. Okay. Now let's go back. And data element is ZT53. I will copy this. SE38. Change. Okay. Now since we are using this local global local declaration, what we'll do, data type. This is data element now. Okay. Now this is actually referring to data type. Okay. So check is unknown because we didn't activate it. Okay. Slash load SE11. Activate. Okay, Z data type GT53. Oh, activation of worklist became active despite inconsistent references. Clean up. Search help binding is complete. Name of parameter is missing. Okay, parameter is missing is because of this change for the characteristics. Save. It is saved and okay. Activate. Errors. Okay. Oh, the errors again. Search is not active, does not have parameters. Became active despite cleanup. Check data element. Data element. End of activation worklist. Okay. Okay. Parameter ID. Default component name ZT53. Name data type global. Name data type global. Check. Yes. Search help. is not active, does not have parameters. Okay, does not have parameters. Parameters. No values. Okay, description. Description parameter ID. $temp Okay, okay. What do we use here? I don't think we need this parameter ID. Check parameters. Any document. Okay, save, activate. Is incompatible with the data element field description. Okay. For the characteristics. Name, saved, activate. Okay. Um, will let it save, activate. It's activated now. Okay. So we'll go back. Copy. Okay. Change. Okay. Check. No syntax errors. Activate. Direct processing. Okay. Dubai, ERP, everything is in place because we are using global data element, which is this one, named data type we actually created. So we can create our own data elements as well. This is also an option. Okay. So let's stop here for today and we'll take it from there.